welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fortune Stitches. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please, if you're yet to subscribe, just touch on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that you get a notification once I upload new video. In today's class, we shall be looking at how to cut and sew a simple pencil skirt with front slit and a bow tie. So let's go over to the cutting step. I'll be using this Ankara fabric for it. This is our Ankara fabric and this is our lining. And the required materials for today's class are ruler, scissors, tape, and chalk. We shall start with folding our fabric into 4. We will fold our fabric into 4. And the measurements we'll be using for this skirt are waist, hip, and skirt length. So waist is 35, hip is 39, and the length of the skirt will be 24 inches. I'll just measure 24 inches plus folding allowance, making it 26. Here is 26 and this place is 24 inches. Use your ruler and mark. So this line you are seeing here, this is our zip allowance. So because this skirt will be having a front slit, so we'll give allowance for the front slit. This is front slit allowance, and this one here is our zip allowance. It's folded into 4. Now we'll measure from waist to hip line 9 inches. I'll also mark with ruler. And don't forget, this is our waist, hip line, skirt length, and this is folding allowance. This line you are seeing here is for our zip allowance and slit. This is our slit allowance. So on this waistline, we'll divide our waist into 4. Don't forget you start taking your measurement from this line. Divide your waist into 4. 35 divided by 4 will give us 8.7. Here is 8.512. 8.7. Take 2 inches seam allowance, 1 inch that, making it 3 inches extra. On the hip, we divide our hip into 4. And why we are dividing into 4 is because this material is folded into 4. You divide your hip into 4. Hip 39 divided by 4 will give us 9.7. Here is 9.7 plus 2 inches seam allowance. Now connect. Connect from your waist down to your hip. So on this hemline, I'll go in by 2 inches. Because this is a pencil skirt. For it to form pencil, you go in by 2 inches or 1.5 inches, depending on what you want. Now use your ruler to connect. I hope you can see it. On top of this waistline, you measure your dart How you will get your dart? You divide your bust to bust, you divide it by 2. This one is 8 inches, so I will divide it by 2, giving us 4 plus half inch for that. Here is 4.5. Now we'll now go ahead and cut. And don't forget to notch where you'll be folding from. Notch. You don't need to notch this place. Just notch here. And also notch your dart. Now for the front slit. How you will get your front slit? Just measure this waist. This is 27.5. 27.5, you now divide it into 3. Divide by 3 will give us 9.1. And here is 9.1. Our slit will be on the left side. And now come to this line here. I hope you can see it. Use my ruler and hold it down. And this is where our slit will be. This is it. It's now into 2. This is our skirt. I've lined them. This is the 2 back. And this is front. So now we'll use 10 inches for the slit. I'll use 10 inches for the slit. Here is 10 inches. So I'll now go ahead and join from this side. Remember that we use 2 inches for slit. So you measure back your 2 inches here. So I will sew like this. For the back, you also measure out what you use for zip allowance. I use 2 inches. I also measure 2 inches out. So this back will not have any slit, so I will join them together. For zip, I will use 10 inches. I have to attach our zip. After joining, you sew from this down. Sew this side. From this side down. You first of all sew from down up, then from up to down. This is our front. And here is the slit. And this is back. This skirt will be a high waist skirt, and I will be attaching a band to it. Now I will measure out the band I will be using. I will use 2 inches for band. You first of all measure your skirt. This is the front you measure. Front is 21 inches. Back is 12 inches. For band, you fold like this. This is 2 inches. You look for where 2 inches is. Now add half for joining allowance. I'll use half inch for joining. And this is our band. This is for the front skirt, and this for the back. Now to cut your bow tie, just cut a square, join them together. This is the rope that we'll be using for the middle. See our skirt, this is the front, and see how I join our band. We join like this, and I open this slit, so it will be like this. I open here. This is back. This is our bow tie. To join it, I hope you can see what I'm doing. Use your hand knife to hold it here, or you can sew with your machine. We'll now take our skirt measurement. 35 divided by 2 will give us 17.5, 17 and a half. Take what is remaining. I'll now take 2 and 7 this side. 2 and 7 this side also. From waist to hip line, 9 inches. Our hip is 39 inches. Divide by 2 will give us 19.5. That is 19.5. Take what is remaining, 2 inches. Take one here. Now connect them. You can use your hip cuff also. And this hemline, I'll go in by 2 this side, 2 this side also. Now use my ruler to connect. And here is our skirt. And just go ahead and attach. And this is our pencil skirt with front slits and a bow tie. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you are yet to subscribe, please just touch on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to enable you get a notification once I upload new video. Love you guys. See you in my next class. Bye.